In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create a courier and logistics website with tracking on WordPress step by step, even if you're a complete beginner. By the end of this video, you'll have a working courier website where customers can track their shipments directly from your site using a tracking number. This setup is perfect for logistics companies, delivery services, dispatch businesses, or anyone offering courier services. If this tutorial helps you, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss future WordPress tutorials. Now, let's jump right in. First, log into your WordPress admin dashboard. This is where you manage everything on your website, including plugins, pages, and settings. Once you're inside the dashboard, head over to the left-hand menu and click on Plugins, then choose Add New. This is where we'll install the tracking system for our courier website. In the plugin search bar, type WP Cargo. This plugin is specifically designed for courier and logistics websites and includes shipment management and tracking features. When you see WP Cargo appear in the results, click Install Now, wait a few seconds for the installation to complete, and then click Activate. Activating the plugin is very important because this enables all the courier and tracking features on your website. After activating WP Cargo, go back to the left-hand menu and click on Plugins again. Then locate WP Cargo in your installed plugins list to confirm it's active. Once that's done, you'll notice new WP Cargo options added to your WordPress dashboard. These options allow you to manage shipments and tracking information. Next, click on WP Cargo Shipments, then select Add New Shipment. This is where you create shipment entries that customers will later be able to track. Carefully fill in all the required shipment details, such as the tracking number, sender information, receiver information, origin, destination, shipment status, and delivery updates. Make sure the tracking number is accurate because this is what customers will use to track their packages. Once you've filled in all the details, publish or save the shipment. Now, we need to create or edit a page where customers can track their shipments. Go to Pages in your WordPress dashboard and either create a new page or edit an existing one. Inside the page editor, add the WP Cargo tracking form by inserting this shortcode, open square bracket, WP Cargo _ track form, close square bracket. This shortcode automatically displays a tracking form where users can enter their tracking number. Save or publish the page once the shortcode is added. After that, open your website in a new tab and visit the page where you added the tracking form. Enter one of the tracking numbers you created earlier and test it. If everything was set up correctly, you should now see shipment details displayed on the screen. This confirms that your courier and logistics tracking system is working properly. At this point, you've successfully created a courier and logistics website with tracking on WordPress. You can now customize the design, add company information, create service pages, and start accepting real shipment data for your business. WP Cargo also offers advanced features and add-ons if you want to expand your system later. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with anyone who wants to build a courier or logistics website. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.